Breaking news from January 6, 2026. A key Russian S-300V component was just hit in Donetsk. Subscribe to Defense Reports, your go-to source. I'm Alex. With Arya, we break down global defense, and today, it's all about this strike. This is the brief on the strategic attrition of Russian long-range air defense. A Ukrainian drone from the 412th Nemesis Brigade destroyed a 9S-32M1 radar. You have to get this. It's one of Russia's rarest and most valuable anti-air assets lost in the war. First, that radar, the 9S-32M1 grill pan, is the brain for the entire S-300V battery. It guides a dozen missiles at once. So taking it out means you've blinded its launchers. Second, the S-300V system is unique. It's a tracked, highly mobile platform designed for anti-ballistic missile defense. That makes this advanced radar unit a rare, nearly irreplaceable asset for Moscow. And finally, the cost-effectiveness is insane. A drone costing under $50,000 destroyed a vehicle worth up to $30 million. This is Ukraine's radar attrition strategy, opening another critical gap in Russian air defense. The elimination of this rare guidance radar is a clear demonstration of how cheap drone precision is systematically dismantling Russia's multi-million-dollar air defense architecture. You've been listening to Defense Report by Alex and Arya, where we analyze the latest in military strategy, global defense, and advanced weaponry. Subscribe to Defense Reports, your go-to source for timely, in-depth military and defense reports. We'll catch you next time.